And Igbo really useless. Listen.
Uh, the Igbos politicians are useless. Very, very useless. The governors of Southeast are very, very
This is
useless.
insane.
The Indibo as a Igbo social-cultural group is also a very useless
Like,
organization.
we have a lot
The
of
Southeast
rich
governor
Igbo
are so
people.
useless, they are useless
Very
to
wealthy.
themselves, and they are even useless to
But they
their
only
people.
brag online.
If not because these people are so
Doesn't show that
useless, I see no reason that Nnamdi Kanu should still be in detention,
spraying money on clubs.
dramatically kidnapped in Kenya, brought into this country, and then
People who choose to live
dramatic
like
allegation
slaves.
against him. For many years, he has been in detention. And look at what is happening in the north. The play of shame and disgrace in the north. In the north, the northern
If you don't
politician actually
rise up to
agitate
ask question,
for the
your children
forgiveness
will
of Boko
continue from
Haram.
where you stop.
Boko Harams were forgiven, clothed, they were
The
given
same
money, clothes,
sufferness.
and they were even fed with rice and chicken. And look at the recent disgrace and
Top
shame,
class
the
citizens.
display of disgrace and shame of this country in Katsina. Just this week, where bandits and
Very
headers
sad.
came with their ammunition, talking with tenacity and without any fear, with ammunitions, AK-47s, with ammunition, come for peace reconciliation. They were boastful and talking to Nigerians and federal government as if they were addressing school children. And yet Kano is in detention. And somebody will not tell me that the Eastern governors are useless. Look, the South need to wake up. Oh. The South need to wake up. Because what the North is doing is actually it's so dramatic and so disgustful and so it's so shame. And it's so disgusting to the extent that you ask either we have one country. We ask either we even have a constitution in this country. Do we have a constitution authority in this country? Different rules for different region and for different people. Nigeria is a joke.